Alrighty guys, welcome back to the little ditch cleaning project here. I was out here a couple days ago doing a little bit of this ditch work, just starting to dig it out, and then I got busy, got 3 little junk calls, kind of last minute things, so I ended up doing those. So I'm back here now. We're gonna keep working on this ditch, cleaning that end out. Then we got a bunch of weeds and tumbleweeds and junk down this way. And then there's another crew, some folks that I know, coming in on the other side, on the cemetery side, and they're going to be cleaning up the other side of the fence. So it's going to look nice, hopefully, when we're all finished with it. So I'm going to get this little booger fired up, start digging out some more over here. I'm going to put this camera up on the headache rack there on the roll bar over the top of the tractor, kind of facing down. And I'm going to have this other camera I've got set up here, kind of recording it in time lapse. So I'll get this all set up and get rolling. I have reached the point here where it joins in, where it's already deep enough. So this part's good, and I've reached that, dug out that low spot. They're all working on the tumbleweeds down there on that end anyway, so that's good. I'm going to move down a little bit from our stop sign coming forward and start pulling out those tumbleweeds, and we'll just keep rolling along here. But got this part cleaned out. I've got to get all that dirt cleaned off the side of the road, of course, and moved. We have a big material pile down there, scrap pile kind of, down in our lower piece of property. I'll move it down there a little bit later. So for now, we're gonna scooch down the road and do a little more. Alrighty, we got us a dirt pile over here, a little bit of rocks here. I'm going to leave those there probably. We'll leave this little berm here, help steer the water. But we got the ditch pretty cleaned out. I mean, it's not perfect by any means, but the water is going to flow through it instead of in the road, hopefully. And then down here you can see down the way, this other group, man, they did a great job. They got in there and started getting after all those tumbleweeds and all that stuff. I used the backhoe just a little bit to pull out some of the bigger tumbleweeds, but a lot of that little stuff I couldn't get a hold of it with the backhoe, so they just got in there and they just brought an army of people with them. So I'll clean up all these tumbleweeds and stuff here in a little bit, put them in one of our dumpsters. I'll pull that, we have one way up the other end of the parking lot there. I'll pull it down here and we'll get that stuff loaded up. But right now I've got something in the back of my trailer. I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna load all this rock into it and then haul it down and dump it by our waste pile that we have. So I'm gonna get after that. This part of the video, I'm gonna wrap it up here. I think this little tractor done a great job for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And I will try to keep these coming. I'll probably set up and do another video of moving all this dirt down and getting it put away on our scrap pile, but that'll be another video altogether. So I'll catch you guys later.